Greetings viewers, welcome back to Cash Collect, where we provide you with the best tips and tricks to help you achieve financial freedom. In today's video, we're going to share with you 3 unconventional side hustles for 2023 that can earn you $600+ per day. We understand that times are tough and everyone is looking for ways to supplement their income. So, we've done our research and found some unique and exciting opportunities that you may not have considered before. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn about something exciting ways to make money in the coming year. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let's get started. The first side hustle is selling on Etsy. On Etsy.com, you may purchase and sell items, many of which are handcrafted or otherwise one of a kind. Maybe you're thinking, that's wonderful. I'm sure there are people who make a ton of money on Etsy. But how can I truly earn money from it if I don't have the talents to produce things or anything like that? The best part about Etsy though is that you can now sell digital things in addition to real ones. Digital artwork is only one type of item that sellers can offer on Etsy. The North Prince Etsy store, with its almost 250,000 transactions, clearly generates a substantial income. What's cooler is that many of these items are repackaged versions of designs available for free on public domain art websites, making them ideal for resale on Etsy. Together with the artwork itself, you may also send along instructions for printing and hanging the piece in their home. Maybe they're wondering, where can I go to find an art like this to sell on Etsy? I'll explain in a second, but in the meanwhile, if you're interested in creating the artwork yourself, check out resources like Design Inspiration. Hanging art or wall art in the form of printed reproductions is another sort of good you may offer. You may have the artwork printed by a provider like Vistaprint and then sell it on Etsy for a profit. Let's go on to the public domain websites where you may locate some of this content. Websites like artv.com are included. This resource is great since the majority of its photographs are in the public domain and hence may be used for any purpose, including commercial ones like Etsy. Unsplash, Morguefile, Pixabay, and Pexels are some other places to get free images. Several art styles may be created with the help of specific Photoshop plugins. One image might be transformed into 5 variations, each of which would be suitable for sale on Etsy. You might, for instance, turn it into a painting or any number of other visual representations. If you want to fully automate the process, you can use a service like Printify as a backend. It will print your photographs without you having to lift a finger. And if you integrate it with Etsy, it will even fulfill orders for you. If customers buy your pictures, Printify will handle the shipping and fulfillment without you having to lift a finger. The final kind of items you may sell on Etsy is tangible goods, which might include handmade items. Even if you don't consider yourself particularly talented, there are plenty of internet instructions that will teach you how to construct a wide variety of DIY products and handcrafted items. And if you need convincing that this approach may be successful, look no further than the Etsy shop Keepsake. They have almost 300,000 purchases made from their store, despite just selling little decorations. Etsy sellers may also use drop shipping services to offer things they purchase on sites like AliExpress or Alibaba at deep discounts. The second side hustle is marketing lucrative affiliate items. Now, there is a side business opportunity that just can't fail. It's one of the first things I tell people who are just starting out and want to make some extra money online or from home. You may earn a commission on every sale by visiting marketplaces like digistore24.com, finding a decent product to advertise, copying the URLs, and creating easy videos to submit to YouTube. If you decide to take this route and promote a product for which you will get a 50% commission, then you should promote an item that costs at least $1,000 so that you may earn at least $500 for each sale you generate. Getting this up to scale with a couple 100,000 views per month on your YouTube channel can really add up to some substantial money, even if you only have 1 or 2 purchases per day. The third side hustle idea is to recruit advocates for your product. Nowadays, hundreds of thousands of individuals online are on the lookout for a fantastic product to advertise. Yet, the sad reality is that there simply aren't enough such things available. Someone will definitely comment on this video stating something like, "I've been trying to find a solid product to market in this area, but I've come up empty." Unfortunately, there aren't always enough quality digital things for me to recommend, so please recommend isn't something I can always say. This is a great opening for you if you have any skills or connections in this area. Making an online course out of any knowledge you have is as simple as recording a series of videos, organizing them into lessons, and putting them up for sale on sites like Kajabi, Digistore24, and ClickBank. Afterward, tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, of affiliates can join up to advertise your course at no cost to you. This means they will promote your course in a variety of ways, including writing articles, creating blog posts and videos, and even footing the bill for advertising at no cost to you. With an army of affiliates pushing your items, you won't have to spend a dime on advertising. Yet at this point, you may be wondering why so many individuals are willing to promote your product without receiving anything in return. It's a win-win situation since they are paid a commission on every transaction they make and you earn a large portion of it. The buyer also comes out ahead if and only if the product is of high quality and useful to others. So imagine you want to get into this side business but you have zero expertise. You may create a course with a friend or acquaintance who has a marketable talent by simply recording them teaching it and putting together a bundle. Even though he doesn't know much about basketball himself, one of the people behind the scenes at I Love Basketball TV, a channel that sells basketball courses, has partnered up with people who do know how to play basketball, such as various coaches, and has them do the teaching and the YouTube videos, allowing him to focus on the business side of things while they reap the financial benefits. Presently, they have over 2 million subscribers and over 1 million monthly views on their channel. They must be making a fortune, not just from the sale of their courses, but also from the advertising income generated by their channel. We hope you enjoyed the video. But now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to get paid by only using a Facebook trick. So if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screen.